Lip gloss is such a nostalgic makeup staple. Before I graduated to red lipsticks and lip stains, lip gloss was my go-to lip product. But you know, it took me a while to realize that this lip product can do more than just be a shiny top coat on my lips. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can use your lip gloss. Before we begin, you know what you've got to do. So if you haven't already, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first trick is to use lip gloss to create glossy eyelids. Honestly, of all the runway trends that never debut in real life, I'm so glad that this one did, because trust me, this eye trend is oh so gorgeous. Now I've already primed my eyelids. To create this, I'm going to use this lip gloss. It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss in the shade Electric Red. Just apply the lip gloss using the applicator on the entire eyelid area and then blend out the edges with your fingers. I love how this lightweight gloss works, and the best part is that it is non-sticky. Just remember that when creating glossy eyelids, don't pursue precision because they are known for their slightly messy look. The second trick is to use it as a cream blush. I have this lip gloss that I think would work really well as a cream blush. It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss in the shade Rouge Taffy. The color is quite intense, so you just have to take a little bit on your ring finger and dot it on the apples of your cheeks and gently dab upwards. It might take some time to blend, so just be a little patient. It has a velvety texture and is non-sticky too, which is great so you don't have to worry about your hair sticking to it. The natural sheen of the gloss will brighten up your skin complexion to create a natural and dewy flush of color. The third trick is to use lip gloss as a highlighter, because why not? You can either use a clear gloss or a gloss with a hint of color. I like to use this lip gloss as a highlighter. It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss in the shade Creme Caramel. Simply dab the lip gloss on your cheekbones and blend it using your fingertips. The natural warmth of your fingertips will help the product seep seamlessly into the skin for a lit from within glow. And lastly, use lip gloss to make your lips appear fuller. This is a great trick for someone who has thin lips and wants to add fullness to their lips. All you've got to do is apply the lipstick and add a touch of gloss at the center of your lips to push the centermost part of your lips ahead. Doing so reflects light, which helps the lips appear fuller. As a tip, remember not to rub your lips together after applying lip gloss because this can knock off the effect. I hope you liked these 4 ways to use your lip gloss. Make sure to try them out. Before you leave, like and share this video and do subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. Also ring the bell icon for further notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one.